Good morning and welcome to Ireland AM on Virgin Media 1 and Virgin Media Play.
Yes, it's Friday the 17th of April and here's what we have in store for you today.
Well, Taoiseach Micheál Martin says he does not feel under threat despite reports of calls for a leadership move. We'll have more on that story and the rest of the news at 7:15.
OK, Nottingham Forest have set up an all-English semi-final in the Europa League after a 1-0 win over Porto last night. We'll bring you all the latest sports news at 7:35.
She was one of Hollywood's most beloved stars, and now Audrey Hepburn's son is sharing personal stories about her life in a new biography. We'll be chatting to Sean Hepburn-Ferrer later at 9:20.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a very special announcement for one of our own here today.
Congratulations are in order because he's only done and won a Breakthrough Talent Award at last night's Royal Television Society of Ireland
Thank
Award.
you.
Look at him. Yay!
Thank you.
How are you
very
feeling in last night's clothes?
Did you
I
sleep in the taxi?
came straight from Coppers. It was a fantastic night of celebrating me and all my achievements on this show. I've really brought it from strength to strength since being introduced. Saved both your careers.
Do you know what?
I'm over the moon, honestly. And thank you to you, the viewers at home, because without you, I wouldn't be here. Do you know what I mean?
It's the humility.
Was it a public vote?
No, I don't know.
No.
I don't know.
No.
But I'm not even sure if anyone else was nominated. But I did it. I did it. And this is for you, Mum and Dad, watching at home. Thank you so
Forgot
much.
to thank God.
And
You
of
didn't
course,
thank God.
Of course not. But no, I'm over the moon. I'm delighted. It's going to be a long day. My wife's trying to drop me in a change of clothes, and we're going to see how we get on. But it's going to be fun. It's going to be
Were you allowed to keep your number?
no, delete that.
It's going to be a
I'm in
very...
new
Talk to
circles
your
now.
people now.
I'm in new circles now.
It's
Can
going
someone
to
get me a latte as well, please? It's going to be a long morning.
Very long morning.
I'm coming up today. It's green, it's ambitious, and it's spreading fast. Ireland's getting greener, one tiny forest at a time, thanks to the 100 Million Trees Project massive planting mission. We'll be chatting about that at 9:45. Derek, did you win any awards last night?
Oh, more like a Lifetime Achievement Award, Eric. And I know you were tucked up in bed nice and early at 12 o'clock, so good man. Anyway, congrats. Weather-wise, out there this morning, it's a damp and breezy start. Some sunshine and showers to take us right across the day, and a cold night in store. So a bit of a bumpy ride out there as we hit this Friday into the weekend. Now, in fact, guys, we're here in Westmoreland Street in the heart of Dublin City Centre. The National Wax Museum just down the road from us here, and they have unveiled a brand new waxwork of the one and only Taylor Swift. Now, there's a lot of talk about it, so we want to know, does it get the Tay-Tay or does it get the Nay-Nay? We'll find out a little bit later on, and we want your reaction at home as well. Back to studio.
OK, he's over there being fanned by a load of eunuchs.
Yeah.
Right now, he's just having a lie down now that he's the Breakthrough Award winner.
It's going to be a long morning, everybody.
You OK over there?
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Get a bit of work done here now.
Sorry, apologies. We're probably going to have to turn this light off over here as well. Have you heard about the electricity price hikes?
Really? No, but like we haven't heard enough about your
Oh,
RTS
you want me to
award
tell you
either.
more about the award?
No.
I do want to say last night, the producers and some people on the show knew that I was getting this, but I didn't. I was just told to turn
Aren't we
up,
great to keep
and
the secret?
you might win something. And I'm sitting down then, and I was like, oh, I think this is my category. And then they put on the VT, and the VT was about 3 minutes long. And it was only about 2 minutes in, and I realised, I don't think anyone else is nominated. And I turned to Eva, I was like, I think that I've won. And the camera crews came over, and I was shook. I was in shock. It's been such. It's like the VT showed everything from when I was first a contributor right up until where I am
This
now.
is your life.
Exactly.
TV.
Yeah, all my best bits, and it was just. I was like, "What? This is."
Did you
insane.
cry?
A little bit. I did. I got a little
cry?
emotion.
Did you make a speech?
It's been such a whirlwind of a couple of years to get to where I am. It's all happened quite quickly, but I just realised how grateful I was to be where I am. Yeah. I love this job.
Well, there were tears. Now, he poked himself in the eyes to get the tears.
The onions? Do you have the onions?
I did. I didn't need them. I didn't need them. It was such an incredible night. And
Did you ring your dad?
Oh, yeah. So I was in the family group. I won. Oh, my God. No one could believe it. But, like, you're in a room with all the best people in the industry and you're being recognised. And it was like, it was the first time I was like, wow, I'm here. Do you know what I mean?
Well, you deserved it.
Thank you.
Really
Was it
did.
better than the marathon?
I'd say it's up there.
Up there
Did you
with the
know?
marathon.
I don't know if
Did
people
those who don't know, I
he
won
did the
the
marathon.
marathon.
He did the marathon.
He did the marathon.
I probably won't talk about the marathon again because this is, look at this. Isn't this wonderful? Yeah, I'm delighted.
Congratulations
Thank you
on
very
there.
much.
This
And
is lovely.
thank you both as well, because without you, I wouldn't be here. You've been incredible role
I wouldn't say
models
that now.
No, you've been amazing to work with.
Stop being nice.
I've been learning from the best.
We don't know how to deal with
Yeah.
you when you're being sweet and
Elaine
nice.
told me to say that.